Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to add and remove scheduled summary notification on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. In your home screen, go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down and find the notifications. In the notifications, find the scheduled summary. In the scheduled summary, turn on the switch button and you will see the schedule. And if you want to add another schedule, just press the add summary or the plus sign. And you can adjust the schedule time here. And if you want to remove the scheduled summary, you can press the negative sign on the summary that you want to remove. And select delete. And that's it. We have successfully add and remove scheduled summary notification on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.